Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how I achieved this look inspired from these beautiful earrings. These are $6.90 at Forever 21. I really love every type of accessory that they have at Forever 21 because usually these are accessories that you only wear this year and probably next year they won't be popular anymore. So I really truly don't like to spend too much money on accessories usually, so I can have as many as I want in just the most popular ones. So this is something that I really truly enjoy to do. I go to Forever 21 and I go straight to the accessory section, and that's where I buy the majority of my accessories, from necklaces, earrings, hair accessories like these ones that I always use in my tutorials before I start the video, a bunch of like little things, all my hats. You always see me with hats. I buy everything at Forever 21 or H&M because it's cheap, you know, and as I said before, I get tired of things. Usually the things that I buy there are things that I just know that I won't be able to wear again next year. So I'm like, why do I have to waste my money and spend like $65 for a hat or for like a necklace or earrings that I know that I'll get tired of it after like 5 times I wear it. So I hope this little advice will help you. Maybe you already realized that, maybe not, who knows, but anyway, I wanted to share that with you. But yeah, if you're interested to know how I achieved this look and the product that I've been using, just keep on watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, as usual, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time with another video. Hold! Stop! Fermi tutti! I just want to say a big thank you to all of you that always follow me, subscribe to my channel, like my video, write me comments under my videos on Instagram. I really truly appreciate that. I read every single DM that I receive, so if I haven't answered, just wait, I will be answering. But yeah, thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the appreciation. Also, I wanted to ask you something that it's really important. I'm starting making more motivational videos, so I want to know if you guys appreciate that, if you like it or not. Please comment down below, let me know if you like that, if you have a topic in particular you want me to talk about. I'm all ears. Thank you for watching. Ciao.